Have you ever wondered why your hospital needs to have a WhatsApp front? I'm Dr. Manan Bora. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and sports medicine specialist, and today we're going to be talking about this. The first thing is trust. Patients trust businesses with a digital presence, and today WhatsApp has proven to be a great customer engagement medium for well-founded businesses. Trust not only leads to better patient acquisition, but it also leads to improved patient retention, which is the key long-term growth factor for healthcare businesses. Second is ease of social selling. A major portion of a hospital's footfall comes from patient referrals, whether it is a simple consultation or a major procedure. For hospitals, the most important factor for growth is excellent patient experience, as that leads to good word of mouth in the market. What comes into your head when you have to refer a hospital or a doctor to your closed ones? Sharing their contact over WhatsApp. Now imagine if patients can avail all those services using that shared contact over a simple WhatsApp chat. Thirdly, ease of patient engagement and retention. A WhatsApp front for your hospital provides a layer of automation as well as engagement for your patients. The automation layer will involve booking appointments, getting prescriptions, getting follow-up reminders, whereas the engagement layer will involve asking queries to the doctor or to the administration. This allows the hospital to have a two-way communication channel with the patients, an experience just like the ones the major hospital brands have. And you can get this at a fraction of the cost for your patients. And fourth, it acts as a direct channel to consumers to market your campaigns among existing and potential clients' WhatsApp. This could be health camps, blood camps, etc. The most important benefit of having a WhatsApp presence for your hospital is that you get a direct channel to your customers' WhatsApp. Today, a message, a call, or an email can go unread or unnoticed, but a WhatsApp message rarely goes unread. This makes WhatsApp a better marketing tool than even physical or digital marketing. Whether your hospital is holding a health camp or launching a new service, you can market it to all your patients with a single click. Your WhatsApp assistant also acts as a lead generation source for your hospitals while you are establishing your brand on the market. Now you will ask me, how do I get my hospital on WhatsApp, Manan? The answer is pretty simple. Just get the Paperplane WhatsApp solution and we will get your WhatsApp presence up and running in no time. Your patients can book appointments, get prescriptions, get medicines, get follow-up reminders, and also get their queries answered by the staff all on WhatsApp. With Paperplane, you get to share your messages and content directly with your existing as well as potential consumers. Have a pharmacy or a diagnostic center with your hospital as well? Don't worry. Paperplane will help get them on WhatsApp too. Check out www.paperplanetech.co or the description of this video to get in touch.